do now is make yourself a nice lovely early morning smoothie. So that's what I'm gonna do, put it in my glass. So wake up all early in the morning, just get yourself some spinach. Just like this. Get yourself some cucumber. Cucumber is really good for you. I'm gonna use half a banana. Once I get the banana inside of it, then that looking good. Just gonna squeeze a half a lemon or lime, whatever you have, inside of it, just like that. Put a little bit of water. Teaspoon of honey. And just blend this about 2 to 3 seconds. Nice and lovely. Yeah. Look at that. Beautiful. Smell really nice. Early morning drink. Easy and so simple. Alright, and that have a lot of iron, banana, and you know what I mean. If you have some ginger, just put some ginger in it. You know what I mean. Honey. Easy and simple recipe. So please subscribe and leave your comments. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned. I'll see you next time in the kitchen with more recipe from Chef Ricardo. Stay tuned. Early morning drink. Bye bye.